We are doing this little patio down here in Terra Ceia palmetto area. These pavers, and then there's a lot of algae built up on these border edging, and then this walkway here, a lot of black algae built up, some green algae on the AC over there. Probably hit that little gutter form too. And then this driveway, it's a condo or whatnot, so it's a lot of black over here. Get it looking good. Get it looking good. So stay tuned. You can see a lot of algae buildup. You got to use some post-treatment to get rid of all along there. There's a lot of heavy algae buildup. It's where the water sits more, so you might notice it right in here. There's more of the porous areas too, or in here you can see a lot more of it there. That's where your post-treatment really comes into effect. And of course I treated all this. I'm not going to hit it with turbo nozzle because that'll just spread tons of dirt everywhere, so I just hit it with SH. But I'll probably come along here again and hit it some more. But these are looking a lot better. And of course patio is looking a lot better. I just finished up here, but then a city employee came by and then walked mud all over the driveway. So that just is really great after I wrapped everything up. Anyways, I'll use the customer's hose to wipe it down. Got these pavers done. All back here, looking really good. Nice and bright. So, I'm gonna go and finish wrapping up. Head to the next job. Put down a 4%, but this area here just, you know, it just sits there. So, bad drainage. Not much you can do about that, but it's clean. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Off to the next.